If you enter an electronics store and want to buy a quality item or hardware such as an audio system, what do you need to pay attention to before buying it? And you see there are two choices such as the Integrated Amplifier Accuphase E-380 and Luxman type L-509X. To decide what you want to buy and what your options are, you can follow this video show on. In this video, what is mainly conveyed is the technical specification of the two integrated audio amplifiers. First, you can see following what the rear panel of the two amplifiers looks like. If we look at how many components there are from the two integrated audio amplifiers, there are really a lot of them and they look almost the same. Luxman transformer is bigger than Accuphase. The two integrated amplifier modules and the output part of the transistor are almost the same. Both heatsinks are very big and generally black in color. It does look like this amplifier look the same, but actually the difference is the same. In this amplifier, they are both made in Japan. If I had a lot of money, I would buy both and I would definitely bring them to my house. Why am I comparing the two integrated amplifiers? Because they both have the same power. Both have 120 watts of the power per channel. Luxman uses a DC voltage anti-ripple capacitor greater than Accuphase. The configuration of each capacitor is better than the configuration of two capacitors. Nothing is critical here. They still use capacitor in the form of type E and I. They look almost the same. It is a bit difficult to make a decision here because based on the data, the two have different input impedance. What is very unfortunate here, it is Luxman does not have an analog to digital converter circuit. Total harmonic distortion from Luxman is bigger by 0.01%. Here Accuphase is 3 dB superior in signal per noise compared to Luxman. Accuphase is proud of AAVA, while Luxman is proud of the new Lequa 1000. But what is clear is that the two functions are the same as adjusting the volume or the pitch of the incoming signal. Accuphase uses 8 power output transistors, while Luxman uses more, namely 16 bipolar transistors. I surveyed the two prices on the internet before, but it looks almost the same price. I also wonder why it can be almost the same. The Luxman is 14 pounds heavier than the Accuphase. Maybe it is the transformer or the transistor that makes the Luxman heavier. You have seen, not the Luxman is wider while the Luxman is taller. Luxman had been made 2 years earlier after Accuphase existed. Why did it happen? Maybe Accuphase copied specs from Luxman. In terms of electricity consumption, Luxman is 90 watts more wasteful than Accuphase. So this is how a Luxman energy of 90 watts turns into heat energy. Voltage and frequency are not too critical. This concerns the input power that goes into the integrated amplifier system. If it's not enough, usually we can add a step-up transformer. Accuphase is superior to the damping factor of 130. Because in this advertisement, Accuphase always features a bigger damping factor or so. These are all based on the written data. Both Accuphase and Luxman both always highlight the advantage of their circuit, especially the amplifier driver section. Luxman is consuming electricity of 88 watts greater than Accuphase. And you don't need to worry if your breaker or circuit breaker or your home current limiter trip down. Accuphase efficiency is 88% greater than this Luxman. Of course, it saves electric energy power. It's been almost 8 minutes. You have watched my video. Maybe there are questions in the form of comment. Please write. I really hope for constructive input from you. Thank you for watching.